Hello guys, that's my new channel. I'm gonna show you how to use this Bell's Dr. Yes Facial Beauty. First of all, you have to share this video as much as you can and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So you can use this for beauty purpose, health purpose. You have to pour the water as per requirement or as per marked on the jar. Insert the specific required attachment, plug it and switch on. Have to wait till the water boils. Why this device is good for beauty purpose? Ideal for facial steam bath for clean and glowing skin, to soften nails. Before pedicure manicure, facial steam bath comforts skin after removal of makeup foundation. To soften beard for smooth and clean shave, like man and woman can also use device. To get relief from ailments like common cold, cough, stuffy nose, headaches. Also use aroma therapy and certain Ayurvedic treatment. This device is very useful in winter season. You have to fix your face upside on the jar. You can put inside Vicks also. You have to fix your nose and inhale the Vicks. You will get relief.